Corrosion is everywhere and affects everything made of metal, such as ships, cars, bridges, oil and gas platforms, pipeline tanks, and many, many other structures. Corrosion's impact is so enormous that it can be measured as a percentage of GDP. It is estimated that 3.4% of the world's economic output is expended to deal with the direct effects of corrosion, and double that when accounting for indirect effects. So, how is anything made of metal? Well, simply put, we spend millions of hours and billions of dollars and gallons of paint coating metals to protect them. By preventing contact with the environment, metals retain their structural integrity. Unfortunately, coatings inevitably deteriorate, which exposes the metal to oxygen, water, and salt, leading to corrosion. We put chemicals called corrosion inhibitors into coatings to enhance their performance. Coating damage and associated water intrusion dissolves the inhibitors, which can protect the metal and extend the life of the coatings. Some of the highest performing corrosion inhibitors are lead and chromates, but these have been banned because of their serious health effects. Zinc and phosphate compounds are the current workhorse materials, but are marine pollutants with inferior performance. Due to the need to have a very delicate balance of properties, notably solubility, affinity for metals, and coating compatibility, while also not being harmful, there are very few suitable alternative corrosion inhibitors. This is where we at SynMatter and our patented smart particle corrosion inhibitors come in. Smart particles were invented by SynMatter's founders, Jun Zhang and Benny Pierman, while working for NASA Kennedy Space Center, and they circumvent the problems associated with current inhibitors. One of the reactions of corrosion is the formation of hydroxides, a localized increase in pH. Smart particles are microparticle powders that contain corrosion inhibitors. When corrosion starts, smart particles sense that change in pH and release encapsulated corrosion inhibitors that prevent the spread of corrosion. This on-demand delivery enables the use of many highly effective, sustainable corrosion inhibitors that would otherwise not be suitable for coatings. In testing at the world-renowned NASA Kennedy Space Center Beachside Atmospheric Exposure Test Site, smart particles improve the corrosion protection performance of commercial coatings dramatically. While it is hard to quantify corrosion, test data suggests they can extend coating life up to twofold. This can lower maintenance cost up to 50% and increase uptime, delivering millions of dollars in savings to the shipping, defense, oil and gas, and infrastructure industries every year. And smart particles achieve this with no heavy metals or marine pollutants. At SynMatter, we are using NASA technology to protect our planet. We invite you to join us on this mission.